If you've ever wondered how people make money online without creating products, without dealing with customers, and without spending hours in front of a laptop, then listen closely, because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover one of the simplest and most beginner-friendly online income models in the world. It's called affiliate marketing, and once you understand how it works, you will realize why millions of people are using it to earn part-time and even full-time income from home. So let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you get paid for recommending products or services created by someone else. That's it. You don't create anything. You don't handle payments. You don't ship anything. Your job is simply to share a special link. And when someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. Think of it like being the middleman, but without any of the stress that usually comes with being a middleman. Now, here's why this model is so powerful. Every company on earth needs customers, and they're willing to pay you to help them get those customers. So instead of running ads themselves or hiring huge marketing teams, they allow affiliates, people like you, to promote their products and get rewarded for every sale. Let's make this even simpler. Step 1. You join an affiliate program. Most are free to join. These programs give you access to products you can promote. Anything from digital courses and software to physical products like gadgets, beauty items, or books. Step 2. The program gives you your own unique affiliate link. This is how the system tracks your sales. When someone clicks your link, a tiny piece of code activates. So if you automatically get credit. Step 3. You share that link. This can be on social media, YouTube, TikTok, a blog, email, or even in private messages. Anytime someone clicks and purchases, you get paid. Now, the next question is usually, but do I need a big audience to make money? The answer is no. You don't need millions of followers. You don't even need thousands. Affiliate marketing rewards consistency, not popularity. If you share the right products with the right people, even a small audience can generate income. Here's an example. Let's say you're re-promoting a $50 product that pays you a $1.20 commission. If you made just 5 sales a day, that's $100 daily. If you made those sales a day, that's $40 daily. Small numbers add up fast, especially when some programs pay recurring commissions. Month after month, meaning you get paid again and again for work you did once. Now, here's what makes affiliate marketing truly beginner-friendly. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You don't need to be great at selling. Your main task is simply matching people who need a solution to products that solve those problems, and the company handles everything else. Let's walk through how this works behind the scenes. When someone clicks your link, the system tracks them using cookies. Even if they don't buy right away, many programs track them for 30, 60, sometimes even 90 days. So if they come back later and finally make a purchase, you still get paid. That's passive income. That's why so many people fall in love with affiliate marketing, because your old work continues paying you even while you sleep. Now, there are different types of affiliate programs. Some pay one-time commissions. Some pay monthly recurring commissions. And some pay high-ticket commissions, meaning you can earn $300, $500, or even $1,000 from a single sale. The best part is this: you don't need to guess what works. Thousands of affiliates have already proven this business model for over a decade. There are programs with step-by-step training, done-for-you funnels, and automated email follow-ups that close sales for you, so even beginners can get started without feeling overwhelmed. If you're listening to this and thinking, can I really do this? The answer is yes. If you can share a link, you can do affiliate marketing. It all comes down to choosing a good product, sharing it consistently, and letting the system do the rest. There's no limit to how much you can earn, because you're not trading time for money. You're building digital assets, links, content, and traffic that can pay you over and over again. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is one of the simplest ways for everyday people to start earning money online without heavy risk. So if you're ready to start learning, ready to take control of your income, and ready to build something that grows with you, then affiliate marketing is one of the smartest places to begin. And that's exactly why so many beginners are jumping in right now. Because once you understand how it works, it just makes sense. Click the link in the description to get started.